Hi guys, it's Sherry. Today we are going to be playing with a new design that I have. I already went ahead and kind of colored the front and back. So I did like a green in my acrylic marker and a orange. These are going to be double-sided, basically because you can see through them is why they're going to be double-sided. So you could kind of pick and choose whatever colors you really want to use. But they also came with these ones, which I absolutely love. So you could do 2 pairs of earrings or even 3 because they come with these small ones as well. So I'm super excited because I have some ideas that I think will be great and very, very easy for you guys. So what I'm going to do first is I have my little sticky mat here. And I'm going to put my tape on that. And that just makes it easier for me to not have to waste my tape. I could just lay it out and it's stuck on. And then I am going to just lay these on top. That part's not sticky, so we don't want to use that. And then just press down on my little mat. Okay. And then the very first thing I'm going to do is just put a thin layer of resin in here. And I always do a thin layer first just to make sure that none of my plants or flowers or whatever I'm using get stuck to that sticky mat that I'm using. So I'm just going to spread it over. Just make sure I cover all those little areas, and it does not have to be thick. You just want it so it covers the bottom layer and nothing will stick to your sticky mat. I wanted to keep these kind of simple, but just different at the same time. So I have an idea that I'm going to use some gold leaf and some like greenery, ferns, you know, things like that. All right, so now I know I have all my little areas covered. I am going to run my lighter in here quickly. And this will pop all the bubbles, and this way you have a nice clean back. Okay, now put that under your UV light for probably about a minute. All right, just pull this open. And now I'm just going to see what exactly I have and which ones I would like to use. You could get these right off at Amazon. They're super easy to find. I will put a link in the description area for you, but look how pretty those are. I almost feel like I'm going to use these ones just because they're different. Next, I am going to put another thin layer down. And this is so whatever I lay down, and then like, so if you put your, say, leaves down first and then you put the resin on, you'll get air pockets underneath. So you lay the resin down first and that'll help prevent air pockets. You kind of get an idea how exactly I want to do this so I can see. Oops, sticky. You just got to remember, we're going for more a simple look. Sometimes I want to go overboard and just add a ton of things in these, but this time around I'm going to remember simple. So, you know what, I'm going to do this one. Let me just cut that off right there. Put that down on there. And I'm going to make sure I push this all the way into my resin. Push that down right into there. And then just put a tiny bit more on top. And I just want to cover up my leaves at this point. You can see I'm kind of pushing it around, and that's just to make sure no bubbles are going to be stuck underneath. Okay, and then I have my gold leaf here. I want that kind of crumpled up. Let me just take, I'm going to do my rose gold. And once you get it in the resin, you could break it up a lot easier. So let's do a little bit of every color here. Let's do some gold, rose gold, silver, just to make it fun. I really do enjoy kind of just playing around with my pieces and seeing what I could come up with. And the way I look at it is, if it becomes something that I don't really like, somebody else that I know will like it. There's always somebody that's going to like something that you're not going to. And I'm not going to do silver. I'm just going to do the rose gold and the regular gold. I don't know why. I'm just going to change my mind here. Alright, so now I'm going to run my lighter over this really quick. And then I'm going to put this one back under my light. There we go. Alright, so now I'm going to do the same exact thing over here, and then we'll top them off completely. Okay, so now the last thing that we got to do is just put the final coat on the top here, and then we'll flip it and do another coat. This one's going to be a bit thicker because I want it to fill up my actual earring here and come right to the edge. You could do alcohol inks in these and everything. I mean, there's so many cool things you could do with these particular ones. And then I'm just going to kind of take my resin and just kind of do a small little brush on top here. And that'll give me a beautiful shiny look, and it'll protect my marker as well. Okay, do your lighter one last time. Make sure everything has the bubbles popped, and then put this under, and I'm going to put this under for a good 5 minutes, and then I'll take it off and I'll show you how to finish off the back as well. Okay guys, so that was under for about 5 minutes. Now I'm going to loosen this part up, and I'm going to kind of feel and see if it's hard. Sometimes you'll notice that it's still soft underneath. If that's the case, then you flip it upside down and put it under this way. So I'm actually going to take this off. Look how beautiful that looks. I really love the orange. Okay. Put this back on. And then I am just going to do the top of these. So this way I have a nice, beautiful, even look on both sides. Sometimes you'll get those little air pockets in there and you don't even realize that it's missing until after the fact. And a matter of fact, I have the same resin in this brush here. So I'm just going to go right over the entire piece. Don't worry if you get resin in your hole there. If you do, you could easily just drill another, like re-drill it and open it up that way. But you can see how beautiful the front and back both look. So this way you could really make these double-sided, and that's why I did them two different colors, because if I'm wearing one color, then I could just use, you know, the green or the orange or whatever. All right, now I'm going to pop the bubbles on this one. I don't see any, but I'm going to run the lighter over just in case, and then we can put our earrings together and they're finished. All right guys, look at those. Are they not beautiful? I'm super happy with these. So the last thing that I'm going to do is connect my pieces on. But first I'm going to drill. I know I got resin in this one, so I'm not even going to bother trying to get it out. I'm just going to drill it. And that's all you have to do if you get resin in them. So very, very easy. And there, how beautiful. So quick, easy, simple, do any color that you really like and want. And I hope that you found this video helpful. I hope I gave you a new little idea. And I will be using these, and I think I'm going to be doing alcohol ink with these ones. And that will be another video. So have a great day, guys, and I will see you all next time. Bye.